Hello and welcome. I'm at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf, and I see that there is a Live Ti motorhome semi-integrated from Knaus, which is new, and I'm going to show it to you right now. It is the Live Ti 700 MEG, and it costs €92,500. If this is working, you can see the length 748, 232 width, inner width 218, height 279, inner height 2 meters. Okay, so that's not bad. So far, so good. Right, looking at it from this angle, what do I see? Well, I see a couple of nice roof lights there, which would be, that's very positive. I see a step up to the lounge, which at this price level I would not expect to see. I'd expect a flat floor here, and I'm clearly not going to get one. It's on a Fiat Ducato, I think I mentioned that. And up here we have the television. It's down there. So you sit in the seats up front and you watch the television. So let's go and stand in the seats up front. Now you remember that 2 meters standing height we saw? There you go, 2 meters standing height. There's me. I must have grown a bit since that. Ooh, that's hot. That really is hot. I felt that. Anyway, alright. Okay, I'm cheating. I'm standing on the step, right? So 2 meters maximum standing height. But I think the bit that's important, to be quite honest, is where you spend possibly a lot of your time, which is around this magnificently large table. As far as these lights are concerned, that was maybe there's something wrong with the light. That particular one, I don't know. Right, storage around here. I've got a bit of storage there, and around this bit here as well. And let's now come to the back. We've got this 2 singles joined layout, and we've got this pointless waste of space there. A ledge goes one end to the other, pointless in my opinion. And we've got the space for the lockers at the back. Now one can, of course, I do appreciate there's some things you would take to bed with you. You might want to put away close to the bed, such as your glasses, your hearing aid and things like that. And you may say also, well, it doesn't take away that much space, does it? And that's true. So maybe I'm being a little bit unfair. But, you know, you've got that big ledge up there as well. Again, that is something, if they ever use the vehicles, the people who designed them, they would know that that is of no use at all. I've also put in here a bit of indirect lighting above the storage, and storage actually goes back quite a way as well. As you can see, I've got my arm in there. Under we find storage under the bed, as you'd always expected something like this. Could do. Don't know, the light's not working. And I might have taken the light out. So the storage in there as well. Okay, right, in here we have got wardrobe. There's also a curtain. Very sensible. Let's put a curtain rather than a solid door, in my opinion. There it comes across like that. There you go. And yeah, it'll hide you from the bed, right? So perhaps it doesn't have to go all the way to the bottom. Toilet, shower, a lot of space in there. There's me in the mirror, and there's a window as well, so you can keep an eye on what's going on outside. Nice sink in here as well. It's if you think that's not deep enough, I think one could get a bowl. Maybe the tap is actually a bit too close. I don't know. For me it would be a bit too low, but it might be for most people. I've got a fridge here. There's your fridge. And here we have a 3 burners we have the sink, we have storage being at low. We have up here, storage up here. Alright, so let's look around, let's have a look on the outside. See what that looks like. Nice garage, lots of cubby holes, lots of place to keep stuff in. Very good. And let's just have a quick look if there's any what you get with it. So the standard, that's your standard equipment. Well, but I've just shown all that. So no, but maybe there's something I haven't shown. Let's put the heat. No, the electric. See what we're getting with that. So it comes with its ladder booster, the charger, 230. Well, it's obvious, 230. Okay, nothing particularly I want to mention. I like this. Hey, that's a good thing. There's a nice bag. You can take your bag out when you leave, and yeah, you'll certainly look. Ladies will certainly look pretty posh in the pub with one of them. And if it stays in the vehicle, you can use it to keep the dogs leading. I know it's supposed to, a lot of people want the bin there, but I don't use the bin as a bin anyway. There's a window in the door, nice to have, and as you can see, semi-integrated motorhome. So that's a Live Ti 700 MEG Platinum selection, which is a new vehicle. As always, I need to point out I don't recommend Knaus. I do need to point out also the company does have financial problems at the moment. I would say it's more over trading than anything else. It's created too much stock, and we've seen a collapse of its share price as a result. I think there's also other problems which I've been now warning of for, well, at least since 2020. So that's my opinion. I'm sort of negatively disposed towards Knaus, but I do try to be fair and to point out both sides. The company will not stop existing. From that point of view, it will continue. I suspect that they will bring in Wingamm as the only logical investor in the company that I can see. So I can't see anybody else actually doing it, in my opinion. I mean, I could be wrong. So we'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching. I know I've got to be careful, I think, what I say about financial matters. I was a financial journalist. I mean, there's always warning about what you can say which could affect share prices and things like this. I do appreciate that perhaps people on the stock markets aren't watching these videos, but at the same time, and they have access to more information than I have, or they have access to the same information as I have anyway. But all the same, I believe I have to be somewhat careful. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting, and all the best from me in Germany.